just you again, alarm clock. Alright, time for school. Do-do-do-do-do. Hey, how long has this motorcycle been here? Hey, Daddy?
Yeah?
What's this motorcycle doing here?
It's my old one I used to ride when I was little.
Oh, can I have it?
Sure, it's just been sitting there for a long time.
Oh, yay. I don't know how to drive a motorcycle. Well, I'm going to handle school first. Wait, what's this say? Motorcycle lessons at 1234 Beanie Boo Drive. Perfect. I'm going to go there.
Hello, are you here for motorcycle lessons?
Yes, I am.
Well, you need your own motorcycle to learn, but the rest is free, like the lessons.
Okay, I'll be right back. Man, why do I have to bring my own? Okay, here, I brought my own.
Okay, good. Meet me at the course.
Okay, coming. Oh, this thing is so heavy.
Okay, so first you need to drive up on top of the trailer.
Okay. Ah! Owie, that hurt.
Don't worry, I'll get the hang of it.
Okay.
Okay, so try again.
Okay. I'm doing it. Hey, what happens if you twist this more? Oops.
Okay, so next drive around the trailer.
Do you mean drive around the trailer?
Yes.
Okay, I'll try. I'm doing it. Why is it going backward? Wait. How do I make it go forward again? Wait. Ouch.